Hello, this video is for Thursday, April 30th. Today we're going to be doing lesson 97, which is base 10 problem solving. So this is back to some review from the beginning of the year, which will also connect to what we've just been working on with metric conversions. So today we're going to solve single and multi-step problems, including base 10 quantities. So fact number one is something that we've been hearing for a long time now. Each place is 10 times the value of the place to its right and 1/10 the value of the place to its left. So as the place values get bigger, they're getting bigger by 10 times, and as they get smaller, they're getting smaller by 10 times. So just a quick review on the chart. 10 thousandths can be grouped together to make 1/100th. 10 hundredths can be grouped together to make 1/10th. 10 tenths make 1 whole, 1/1. 10 ones make 1/10, and 10 tens make 100. Going the other way, breaking them down, you can take 100 and turn it into 10 tens, take 1/10 and turn it into 10 ones, take 1/1 and turn it into 10 tenths, 1/10 and break it apart into 10 hundredths, and 100th into 10 thousandths. So as we move the decimal to the right, we multiply by multiples of 10. As we move the decimal to the left, we are dividing by multiples of 10. So a quick concept review down here is the same thing we've been doing for a long time, just in a few different ways. So 4.15 times 10 to the second power means move the decimal 2 places to the right, giving you 415. This one's a little trickier, 5 times 1 over 100. If you think back to leave, change, flip with fractions, 5 times 1 over 100 is the same as 5 divided by 100. So 1/100th is the same as dividing by 100. So 5 divided by 100 is 0.05, or 5 hundredths. And finally, 35.6 divided by 10 to the second power means move the decimal 2 places to the left, giving you 0.356, or 356 thousandths. That should be fairly simple for you. Next, we've got a word problem here. So a school district ordered 247 boxes of pencils. Each box contains 10 to the second power pencils. If the pencils are to be shared evenly amongst 10 classrooms, how many will each class receive? So I circled 3 numbers, so I made 3 bullets. From the 3 bullets, I figured out that I needed to know the total number of pencils before I split them up. So my first step was to do 247 times 10 to the second power. 10 to the second is the same as moving the decimal twice, or multiplying by 100. So I added 2 zeros to the end to give me 24,700 pencils. For the second step, we're going to split them up between the 10 classrooms. So 24,700 divided by 10 is 2,470 pencils, and that's how much each class receives. So you're going to go ahead and answer some problems in that problem set having to do with base 10, and that will be mostly review for you, and we'll see you on Zoom.